Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a collective haul from online as well as the Bead Factory. So I didn't get to share this video with you last week because I was out of town. So a lot of these items came in while I was out, and then also some Bead Factory items. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because there's a few of everything. So those of you who saw my last video on the Bead Factory haul, I went back because I specifically went there for looking for something, and my experience was different from the last time. But there was a sign on the door that actually said 15 minutes shopping time. So, but they didn't even bother telling me, or let alone they weren't hounding me to hurry up. So, but if you guys go there, if you have big purses, that's a no-no, because when they stopped me at the door, because I guess you have to ring the doorbell to get in, and they told me that my bag was too big. So I had to empty out my bag, grab my cell phone and my wallet, of course, and left my bag in the car. So I was able to go shopping. So I went there for this right here, and for a project that I wanted to try. But these, I normally don't spend this much when I go to the Bead Factory. Everything is under like $10, but this was 10. And there's all these faceted crystals here. But I think I got the size is too big. So, but that's okay, because I still can use them. So this was $10. This was kind of pricey for me. And then I also got this one here. This was $9. So I actually went there for these two items. I found some other things. I found this bead here. I'm not sure how much I paid for this, because there wasn't like a sticker on him or a tag, but this one called my name. Out of all of those who follow me on Instagram saw that I posted a video of a wall of beads. Now that's just one wall. So this one screamed out my name. And I thought it was like so pretty. This reminds me of fall. These are all fall colors. So I can't wait to make a stretchy bracelet with this. I love wearing stretchy bracelets because you can mix and match them and add them to other bracelets that you have. So I'm going to make a stretchy bracelets with that. And then I did find some crystal beads, or not crystal beads, but precious gemstone beads, I guess. So I found these to make more stretchy bracelets. This one was 8mm 550 for quartz. So just nothing fancy. Then I got the black stone. This was $2. This one's really pretty. This one's a pink aventurine 8mm, $6. And this one's so pretty. I love the blues. This was a gate, 8mm, $9. Look at how pretty though this is. I love all the different variations. So I got that. I think that's how I always, it's a gate or agate. I'm not sure. But yeah, you guys know what I mean. And then this one's so gorgeous. This is 8mm. This was $9. It's called a Mystic Aura Quartz AB. And this is similar to the ones that I got from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. But this is the real deal, this one. And it's pretty heavy. But I thought this is so gorgeous. This one caught my eye as well. So grab those. And then I grabbed some clay beads, you guys. These are new to their store. And these would go super cute with those, I'm not sure what they're called, those clay little discs that everybody's buying. But this would match perfectly if you guys wanted to make a project or a bracelet with these. But I'm going to show you. These are $3.50 each for the strand, and you get all of these. But look at how pretty these flowers are, and the colors I love. So I did pick it up in the flowers. I also picked it up in the hearts. And then they have, this one has treats and candies. And the last one is fruit. And these were all $3.50. So that's my little haul from the Bead Factory. Moving on to some, let's see. Okay, so the next purchases are from 2 different stores, and these were inspired by Marilyn G. So it's by the Stamps of Life. This is called the Hot Cocoa Die Set. So it comes with the spoon, the whipped cream, and it even has like the smoke, or the whatchamacall here, the spoon. Super cute, love it. She did a project, go check her out, Marilyn G. And then this one's called the Hot Chocolate to Stamp. And look at, this is like the coordinating stamp set to the die set. And I love all the sentiments. This one doesn't have like the steam, but it has the die cut here. So, but she did a project using this and these stamps, and they came out so cute because she was working on her Christmas projects, and she made tags with them, and I was like, sold, I'm buying them. So she purchased these stamps from Paper Sweeties, and these remind me of the Ray Dunn fonts. So what she did was she cut out the mugs, and then she stamped the sentiments on top of the mug, and it totally inspired me to get it. So that's why I bought it. Reminds me of my Ray Dunn collection. So I got this one. And then I also got the Christmas sentiment one. Super cute. So I can't wait to play with that. Some things from Amazon. These are just like packaging ideas. So I was gifted a Beatable Pen by Michelle, who's Crafty Pink Crazy on Instagram. And I will put the links down below for these, just in case you guys are interested. And she packaged my Beatable Pen in here with sequins. She had sequins, and she also had like paper shred. And it was a cute way. So here's the pen that she got me, or she made me. And look at how stinking cute. So she had it all packaged up cute with paper shred and things like that. And I think it came out so adorable. And you can also put your pokey tool in there. So I thought that was a great packaging idea. So got that from Amazon. And then this one was inspired by Bona. Bona has shared these, another cute packaging idea. They're basically some plastic pillow boxes, small pillow boxes. And again, I will put the link down below just in case you guys are interested. And they are super cute. How cute they are. Again, you can put some paper shred, sequins, or whatnot, and use this to gift items when you do your swaps or your Happy Mail. So it comes with a lot. I'm not sure how much are in here, but of course the link will be down below. These are, oh, here we go, 50 pieces. Packing boxes, party favors. So that is from Amazon. And then this one was inspired by Jenny, who's Hilo Crafty Girl. So if you guys are not following her, make sure you do. She shared a project using these coin holders. These are 25 millimeter, and I believe there are 100 in here. And I guess these are for coin collectors where they put their coins in. But she did a video making a dangle, I think, with them. And she put the clear bell on the back just to dangle it. And then she had like stickers and sequins and things in there. So I thought that was a great idea. So I can't wait to play with these. These are really cute to gift them as well. So you can fancy them all up, put the little clear bell on it, and then gift them so that they could make a project with them. So I thought these were really cute. So go check out Jenny, who is Hilo Crafty Girl on YouTube. And the last thing that I got that came in while I was away was this stinking thing called We're Memory Keepers. It's the Heart Pom Pom Maker. Now this I got from scrapbook.com. This is a new item. And this, let me just tell you, was a pain in the butt for me. I have like that much patience with things. So I was like, let me just buy this because it looks cute, right? Sold on the little heart pom-poms, but this was, no joke, a pain in the ass to make. So I only got one good one out of all of them that I tried to make, and I threw my hands up in the air, threw the towel in. But look at, for those who can succeed and make and use this, I give you thumbs up, because like my patience level with this, I just gave up. But I was able to make one pom-pom that came out super cute, that actually looked like a heart. Look at how cute. So I'm going to save this one. Maybe I'll try when I gain some confidence and some patience. I'll try this again. But yeah, this, if you have patience, this is good for you. But if you don't, yeah, I tried a couple times and I just was like, forget it. So this was the only one that I was able to salvage that actually looked like a heart and not like a hot mess. So this is the only thing that I was able to keep from this We Are Memory Keepers Heart Pom Pom. Again, this is from scrapbook.com if you guys are interested. So yeah, that is my collective haul. I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.